What is that mysterious ticking noise? Over here, not over there. Kind of catchy. Snape, Snape, Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape,
Ron!
Severus
Ron
Snape,
Weasley!
Dumbledore!
Ron!
Snape,
Ron!
Severus
Ron
Snape,
Weasley!
Snape,
Ron!
Hermione,
Ron!
Severus
Ron
Snape,
Dumbledore!
Ron!
Hermione!
Ron!
Severus
Snape,
Dumbledore!
Harry Potter! 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 That's me! Snape! Harry! Snape! Harry! Snape! Harry! Snape! Harry! Snape! Harry! Snape! Harry! Snape! Harry!
Dumbledore! Hermione!
Dumbledore! Harry Potter! I'm Harry Potter! I'm Harry Potter! Harry Potter! Singing our song all day long at Hogwarts!
I found the source of the ticking! It's a pipe bomb!
Yay! Voldemort, Voldemort, ooh, Voldemort.
Well, Cosmo the bitch, she's a big fat witch, she's the biggest bitch in the whole wide world. She's a stupid bitch, and everyone's a bitch, she's a bitch to all the boys and girls. On Monday she's a bitch, on Tuesday she's a bitch, and Wednesday to Saturday she's a bitch. Then on Sunday, just to be different, she's a super king, Kamehameha, bitch.